Mastering advanced vocabulary, building a strong lexical foundation. Our first word of the 14th day is 1. Thingamy, colloquial a thing or, less commonly, person of which the speaker or writer cannot at the moment recall the name. A person or thing whose name one has forgotten, does not know, or does not wish to mention. B. Also used as the name of a person, place, etc., in place of the actual name, as Mr. Thingamy, etc. It is difficult to know what to make of these complicated thingamies. It's one of those thingamies for keeping papers together. 2. Redound, a. To contribute to, someone's credit, honor, etc. B. To come back upon. His latest diplomatic effort will redound to his credit. May his sin redound upon his head. 3. Benevolent, a. Having a desire to do good, kindly, charitable. A benevolent organization. B. Marked by or suggestive of goodwill. His benevolent smile was topped by the warm charm flowing from his eyes. The teacher's benevolent smile reassured the child. 4. Mignon, pronounced as mignon, a. Small and pretty, delicately pretty. The dish consisted of beautifully cut mignons of swordfish. Trips include gourmet meals of prime rib and fillet mignon. 5. Shell game, a. Fraud, especially a swindle involving the substitution of something of little or no value for a valuable item. The company was playing an elaborate shell game. It's amazing how intelligent people fall for that investment fin shell game. 6. Cull, a. To select the best. Select from a large quantity, obtained from a variety of sources. B. To select inferior items for removing. C. To reduce the size of a herd. Anecdotes culled from Greek and Roman history. Reduce the population of a wild animal by selective slaughter. He sees culling deer as a necessity. 7. Hoggish, usually derogatory. Of, resembling, or characteristic of a hog, self-indulgent, greedy, lazy, dirty, slovenly, mean, selfish. Was feeling hoggish after the hike and ate the whole bag of cookies. The master sent in another, with a hoggish grunt which spoke of the energy behind it. 8. Unfettered, free, unrestrained, not controlled or restricted. His imagination is unfettered by the laws of logic. Instead, they champion reactionary renegades and unfettered capitalist expansion. 9. Prodigious, a. Remarkable in size, quantity, strength, etc. B. Marvelous. C. Abnormal, monstrous. He took a prodigious amount of drugs washed down with booze. The stove consumed a prodigious amount of fuel. 10. Larrup, to beat or thrash. She worked me to death and wouldn't give me half enough to eat. and she used to larrup me most every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. I ain't going to larrup you. Remember, a word a day keeps your eloquence at play. Please subscribe and click the notification button.